Alright guys, welcome back. Bloody cozzies, man. Right, so yesterday I done a video about the sunroof. 2 minutes, I'll open the garage. So yesterday I done a video about the sunroof. And I started it up, I took it on the drive, and I noticed the alternator's rattling. So I'd look on eBay and you get a second-hand alternator for about 100 quid. Or you can get a new one from Burton's and it's about 200 and you've got to give your old one back. So what I think I'm going to do is, I'm going to take mine off, I'm going to take the bits and I'm going to see if I can fix it, because it'll cost us a tenner or something for some bearings. So I'm just going to stand you there. I'm going to start it up and I'll let you hear it before I take the bits. It's a bit louder there. Leave it there. Hear that? I'll knock it off. I'll leave it there so you can watch what I'm doing. Plus the fuck stinks in here. Come here. So what I need to do is, I need to take this pipe off. This pipe below. That's from the turbo to the intercooler. And we'll have a look where we'll get from there. I'll be honest, I've never took the alternator off this car. Remember, I've had it like 15 years. Same age as our last 31. Right, need a screwdriver. If you've got a cozzy, what air filter do you run? This one's, I've got two. I've got an original airbox with a K&N panel filter in, which looks nice in the engine bay, but sounds shit. I've got a K&N filter which sounds sweet. When you lift off, it goes. Take my watch off. Take my man bangles off. Roll the sleeves up. I will have been laughing at this today. It's like 3 degrees outside. And I've got shorts on, but they're comfy. Yeah, I'll point you down so you can see what I'm doing. Whoa. If my phone falls, it's always a phone. K&N. Second pipe. Once I've got the alternator off, I'm going to put these back on. I'm not going to tighten them up, but just to stop any dust and that getting in, you know, because no matter how long it's going to be sat with the alternator. Let's have a look. You see I've got the pipes off. There's the turbo, standard turbo T3. So we'll just get the alternator off. I'm going to do this one here, which will take the tension off the belts. I can take the belts off. Then after that, we'll have to have a look. It looks like there's something at the bottom. It's the original Ford clamps. Not a lot for that. Do us a favour, guys, if you're watching this, leave some in the comments. Let us know what car you drive. If you've got one of these, like an old Ford, like a Skyline or something, or whether you want them weird ones, it's got like a Suzuki or something. Not gonna lie, I'm struggling a bit. I think there must be another way, but honestly I can't see it. I'm gonna have to take the bracket off. So let's show you the trouble I was having. Really, I didn't want all this off, this bracket. I just wanted the alternator off. I didn't want this bit. But this bit here goes through there. Look, there's no bolt in there. There's nothing in there, I can see through. But how are you meant to get that off there? And in case you're wondering, my daily job is not a mechanic. But does that sound knackered? no play. Can't pull it backwards and forwards. Very slight side to side. But either way, this one's knackered. So I'm going to take the bits and sort of tee out how last will be in soon. I'm going to get as much done as I can. I'm going to quickly put these back on. These are our last back. Stuff out the oven. I am, haven't I? Will not be long. 10 minutes. Is an alternating bracket meant to have a worn groove like that? I think that's why I couldn't get the alternator off. I'm going to leave this for today. I'm going to go inside. I'm going to have my beef dinner. I'm going to do some research. So, thanks for watching, guys. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments. If you know if you can help us in any way or what to do next, leave some in the comments. So if you do us a favour, guys, give us a like and subscribe on the channel. It really helps us out. Cheers. See you next time.